Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, updating the retracement levels again. Now this isn't official like last time because we don't have a pausing bar. Don't know if this will turn into one. If not, then you're going to have to update them again yourself. So you can see going through our first 76.45 level, then pausing right at this 78.43. We talked about 78.50 level right here, moving sideways, and then going up right now, trading back just below our 79.77 area. So at this point, I want to leave the major ones in place here. We have many levels here. Let me see. All right, there we go. Again, these might have to be updated again also once we get a pausing bar, but it will give you an idea. So 83.23, just roughly watching 8,300. Then all the way up, 85 to 8,600 are the next key areas you'll be targeting based off if this was assumed to be a temporary high with a pullback. If this pushes higher, then you'll have to update these levels. Don't update the major ones until we hit 8,500. Based off this, on a pullback, we'd be watching for, we have the rising rotation zone and 2 GAN levels. And again, this purple one is based off of assuming, again, this is the high, which might shift if it goes higher. But based off this, we'd be watching about 74.50, 73.84, so 7,400 to about 74.50 with the rising rotation zone and this prior resistance area becoming support. If we did fall through that, we'd be watching about 7,100. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart still ripping away from the rotation zone. Just keep in mind that at some point we are going to reconnect with the rotation zone in some way, whether we just sideways and let it catch up or whether we pull back to it. So at least take these opportunities to either take some partial profits or raise your stops and know where your stops are, because sometimes we do get dramatic pullbacks in Bitcoin. So that's what we're looking at, but key support based off this daily is right down at the 68.50 area with the rising 8 EMA. Switch over to Ethereum. You can see here we did not get the key close below here and catching on the rotation zone. And remember, we were just watching this for a pullback. We did not get the close, so we weren't going to use those levels if we got the close. And it was against the rotation zone, so that is lower probability, as we've talked about many times. And again, we know looking to short it based off these power moves up. It was just in case we got a bigger pullback where to target. All right, now it's coming up again. We're getting a pretty significant divergence. This is running out of steam. So just watch right now the first key area of support. I'm going to just update this to right here. Coming in with the rotation zone at 195.11, and then next key area, I'd actually be watching around the 185. If we drop below that, that's this little ledge. And with the rising 50 coming in here. Again, you see higher high in price, lower high in RSI. So momentum is waning doesn't mean that it has to stop going up, because you can see multiple divergences over time, but it's just a early warning sign that it is running low on momentum. And you can see compared to Bitcoin, which has taken off, this is struggling to now make new highs. So please keep that in mind. Let's take that look at that daily chart. Daily chart, key support coming in about this 185 level based off this prior resistance becoming support and the rising rotation zone, and then major support coming in at 175 if we should get the bigger pullback. All the levels are still the same as I listed yesterday in the prior video. So we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.